I'm Dr. Nitin Kapoor. I'm an endocrinologist based here at Christian Medical College, Vellore. And in this RSSDI 2021, I gave a talk on a very important topic as to how do we curb appetite in people with diabetes. And I think this is really important with respect to our clinical practice. It is not uncommon that we have a patient sitting in front of us and we are trying to tell the patient that you need to cut down your calories. The patient comes back and says, "Doctor, I'm feeling hungry all the time. What do I do?" And this is what exactly I've addressed in this talk. Well, there are very many ways in which we can tailor the appetite of the patient, be it diet, exercise. We talked about the drugs, the upcoming drugs, and even the intragastric devices, the role of bariatric surgery, and even the more recent aspects with respect to genetics that can be targeted today to reduce appetite. I think my one-line message to all of us here in RSSDI 2021 would be that the most important and the easiest and the cost-effective way of targeting appetite is by improving your diet, improving the protein content in your diet, not only the protein content all throughout the day, but in each and every meal to improve the type of protein that we take, and also to look at a person-centric approach in improving protein, something that the patient can follow for long-term and sustain it. I'll stop here and thank you so much for having me in RSSDI 2021. Thank you, organizers, for such a wonderful meeting and a very, very good program. Thank you.